In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Meet emojis explode in just 5 minutes. This neat little trick can add a spark of fun and engagement to your online meetings, making them more interactive and enjoyable for everyone involved. Whether you're meeting for work, study, or just hanging out with friends, this feature is sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. Let's dive in and see just how simple and fun it is to use. First things first, let's head over to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing meet.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the Google Meet homepage, ready to start your virtual gathering. Now that you're on the Google Meet homepage, let's start an instant meeting. Look for the Start a Meeting button. It's usually prominently displayed on the page. With a click, you'll be able to create a new meeting room instantly. Google will then ask you to give your meeting a name or continue without one, depending on your preference. Once your meeting is up and running and you've either invited participants or you're just practicing with someone to see how it works, the next step is to find the smiley emoji button. This button is located at the bottom of the Google Meet interface, making it easy to access during your meeting. The smiley emoji button is your gateway to Google Meet's fun expressions and reactions. After clicking on the smiley emoji button, a panel with various emojis will pop up. Here you want to click on the celebration emoji. It's the one that looks like a party popper, full of joy and celebration vibes. Selecting this emoji prepares you for the next fun part. But here's a little twist that turns the fun meter up. The explosion reaction triggers only when at least 2 participants in the meeting react with the same emoji simultaneously. This means coordination is key. Gather a friend or colleague in the meeting and count down to when you both will click the celebration emoji. The simultaneous reaction creates a delightful explosion of emojis on the screen, making the meeting environment more lively and entertaining. And just like that, you've learned how to make emojis explode in Google Meet. It's a simple yet incredibly fun way to enhance your online meetings, adding a bit of levity and surprise that can break the ice and make the digital space a bit warmer for everyone. Remember, this feature is all about enhancing the social experience of virtual meetings. While it's a small touch, it can significantly affect how people engage and respond during meetings. It's these little details that can make online interactions feel more personal and engaging. That wraps up today's tutorial on making emojis explode in Google Meet. Play around with it, have fun, and don't forget the power of a simple emoji to bring smiles during your virtual gatherings. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to make your digital life more enjoyable and productive.